Hi friends, Miss Harris here. Just wanted to show you guys how to upload and do the awesome assignment. So the assignment is you're to go to Epic. So you're going to click on, let's start here. You're going to go to Miss Harris, but we'll click on here first so you can see this. You have the laptop and you have the Android version of how to get on. You're going to, for those of you who already have an Epic actual login through other classes, all you're going to do then is just go to your Epic the way you go to your normal reading class or teacher's class, and then you find Miss Harris's name. You click on my class or enter my code here, and that should get you in. For those who don't have that, you click on here and you go here and you put in Miss Harris's code. Or I'm going to do this. You put in GetEpic.com. We're going to come here and I will put it here. It's the www.getepic.com/students. This right here. Click on there and it pops up. So there's several ways to get into there. Either you can do it that way, put www.getepic.com/students, or if you already have a Epic actual awesome page through another teacher, then you just click on, you go there that way and you just put in Miss Harris's code. So those are some ways to get to and get onto Epic. And if you don't know how to do that, then the awesome student login instructions are there once you put in the GetEpic.code. And we're going to put that, I'll put that in the actual chat box so it's there. Also, it's in Schoology, the link to get here. So there should be no issues with getting to here, this page. Now, once you get here and you put the code in, you can type in your name. I'm going to borrow Miss Trinity's name, and it should come up. You see Trinity Nicole here. She click on her name, and that's it. Now, of course, it's only, I'm sure if you've been on Epic, it's only from a certain time. So I believe after 4, it's not going to work for you, or it's only limited access you have. So I'm going to show you what to do because the assignment's already made for you guys. Trinity would click on her name, which you would as well. You go to your mailbox. Then Miss Harris has already made the collection here. Hispanic Heritage Month from Miss Harris. You click on it, and then you're going to simply choose a book or video from one of the authors Miss Harris has here, and you're going to read it. Read it and tell Miss Harris about it. So you would click on, of course, tell me after hours, but you click on whatever book you want to choose. You go to mailbox here. Click on the assignment, Hispanic Heritage Month, which I made the collections here, and then you choose any of these books or videos to read. And then you're going to, after you read the book or video, you are going to come back over to Schoology, which I'll get to that in a second, and you would upload, which pretty much records yourself, giving a quick review. Doesn't have to be very long, but just telling us about what you read and all that. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. Now, if for some reason you come here and you don't see your name, or you do not see, or it doesn't work, do not panic. All you have to do is either have your parents email Miss Harris and say, we could not get along, we had an issue, or just next class, just tell Miss Harris, or any of the other classes, just politely in the box or chat box, or just raise your hand and Miss Harris will address it, and I'll write your name down and know to add you to the class. That's only if either you're new or if you try to find your name and it's not in the actual, not on the roster in the class. I will take care of that for you. Just let Miss Harris know. Have your parent email me or just tell me next class. Now, that's how you get to Epic. Now, how to get Schoology. What you're going to do to Schoology is you're going to come here to Miss Harris's awesome page. We should by now know how to get to Schoology and Miss Harris's page. You're then going to go to Assignment Library Challenge, and you're going to click on 3rd through 5th grade assignment. Then you're going to go to Week 6 Book Trailer, and you're going to, I'll preview and show you what you're going to do. you're going to all in a simple, doesn't have to be very long, record yourself telling Miss Harris what about the book. All you're going to do is press record. It might ask you, do you have access? It'll say access and all that stuff. You just click allow access for the mic and all that. You just click on it and you should be able to record. So that's how you would do the actual assignment. Just click record, record yourself. Doesn't have to be long. Doesn't have to be anything major. You're just recording yourself, telling me 3 things about, give me your title, and 3 things about the book. You know, the characters, the main idea, the plot of the story. What was your favorite part of what you read or what you watched? Then you come over here to Schoology and just, again, you're telling me about it. You're telling me what, I've repeated myself, but you're telling me what you read. I want to know what you read and how you feel about what you read. Now, here's an example of what that might look like. And hopefully Miss Harris can find it. Doesn't have to be long. Here we go. So Miss Harris just wanted to give you guys an idea of how to do your book review or your book trailer. It doesn't have to be long. It doesn't have to be exactly like theirs. The only thing you're going to do is tell me the key things of the main idea, the plot of the story, and maybe a theme and how you felt about it. Just like those young guys did those. Of course, nobody's 12 here, but again, if just like the way they did it, the way they told us about their story, that's all you're doing, telling us again about your story and what you read. That's all you have to do. Then go to Schoology and just record yourself saying it. It'll say allow mic, click on that, and you should be good to go. If you have any issues, as Ms. Harris said earlier, no worries. Just email me or just next class say, Ms. Harris, it wouldn't work for me. You can do your exit ticket. Don't worry about the library challenge homework assignment if it doesn't work for you. That's all you have to do, guys. First, you go to Epic, choose it, choose your story, go to your mailbox, choose your story, read a story or watch a video. Then, all you do next is go to Schoology and boom, upload your video. Doesn't have to be long at all. Real quick. Just tell me your title of the story and some things, 3 things about the story at least. Now, again, if you're new, if you can't figure it out, just let Miss Harris know. No worries. I'll take care of it for you. I'll add you to class, take care of it for you. It's no big deal. Want you to enjoy, have fun doing this assignment, and can't wait to see what you all are uploading and what you recorded. All right. See you in class.